I did the math and I literally could retire in Costa Rica for the rest of my life. If you can live on 4% of your investment portfolio, you are officially able to retire. Some ways people do this is by geo-arbitrage, moving to a lower cost of living area. It would be pretty easy to live on around $2,000 a month here in Costa Rica. And how much would you need invested to have $2,000 coming to you in passive income from your investments using the 4% rule? $600,000. For some of you, that may sound like a lot, and it's true. That is a lot of money to have invested. But some people have that, and they're still working because maybe they want to live in the United States, which that's fine. But there are perhaps people like me who have that amount of money invested and could move to Costa Rica and not work for the rest of their lives, but aren't because of fear, because of the unknown, or perhaps because they haven't crunched the numbers. Some of us might be more free than we think we are.